प्रश्न उठे, question comes, what is the greatest worship? To whom we can worship? Who is the greatest one? Who is to be worshipped? If we will not know the answer of this question, then we will go for demigod worship. Already it is clear in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Aradhe Bhagavan Brajesha Pranayo Tadham Vrindavana Ramya Kathit Upasana Rajavadu Bhartiyana Jata. You can find this answer in Chaitanya. If we will worship the son of Nanda Maharaj with Vrindavan Dham. Because Bhagavan Krishna, when he was doing all his childhood pastime in Vrindavan Dham, that pastime was very sweet pastime. Who can relish that pastime? When Bhagavan Krishna was doing the pastime in Vrindavan, who was relishing that pastime? All the inhabitants of Braja, different times, different pastimes Bhagavan Krishna did, and the inhabitants of Braja, they were all relishing that pastime. They were relishing that rasa. So nice. That Leela was so sweet, so nice. Then question comes, who will be able to relish that Vrindavana pastime of Krishna? Already we said that the Brajavasi, they will relish that rasa. So in order to relish the sweet pastime of Bhagavan Krishna in Vrindavana, we should develop some qualification. Without qualification, no one can relish that Vrindavana Braja pastime. What is that qualification is? Don't look. What is that purity is? If someone will not have desire for own sense gratification, he will be able to relish that Leela rasa, Bhagavan Krishna. And here, the Chaitanya Charitamrita saying, how the Brajavadhus were relishing. Why the Brajavadhus, the damsels of Braja, were running to Bhagavan Krishna in midnight? Why they were running to Krishna? In our case, where will we have to run? Where will we go? Where there is enjoyment. We will go to the place where there is some enjoyment. If enjoyment is not there, we will not go to that place. Boring. So much boring. How can I stay there? Because that place is not giving sense enjoyment. How will stay in that place? Now Pascal is suffering so much suffering. This place is boring place. No sense enjoyment is there. How can I continue here? Pascal should have a helicopter. As and when he will desire, he will just run to Switzerland, and after some time again, when he will be frustrated, then he will come here. One helicopter is needed for Pascal. The Braja Lavana, the damsels of Braja, why they were running in the midnight, leaving their husband, children in their home, they are running to Krishna. Somebody will say, yes, something they wanted to get from Krishna, therefore they were running to Krishna. Generally those who want sense enjoyment, they will run to the place where the sense enjoyment will be available. Because his Braja themselves, they were running to Vrindavana, jungle, to Krishna. Because Krishna will give something to them. Krishna will give them pleasure. Therefore they are running. A man who has not entered into Tattva, he will say like that. ଯିଏ ତତ୍ତ୍ୱ ଭିତରେ ପଶି ନାହିଁ ସେ କହିବ ଇଏ ଗୋପୀମାନେ କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ କିଛି ଆନନ୍ଦ ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଯାଉଥିଲେ. But that was not the fact. That was not the fact. Why the brothers themselves will run to Krishna? No, they don't. They did not want anything from Krishna. Rather, they wanted to give something to Krishna. Therefore they were. What they were giving to Krishna? There they were running midnight. What they were giving to Krishna? They were giving Krishna all happiness. If I will not go to Krishna, Krishna will not be happy. With their thought they were running. And that was the mood of all Brajalalana, Gopalalana, the themselves of Braja. This mood, I will go to give happiness to Krishna. And Mahaprabhu said, this is the greatest service. This is the greatest worship. There is no better service than this. The only service to make him happy. And this is seva. This is called seva. 24 hours he is thinking, how my Krishna will be happy. Is there any greater service than this? And the Gopalalana, the themselves of Braja, they are always thinking about Krishna. We are accepting Guru. We are accepting Guru. For what? Only to learn this. How to please Krishna. How to make Krishna happy. Therefore we are accepting Guru. Nothing else. If I will accept a Guru who is a very elevated one, then my name also will be in the list of disciples. I will also be great one. If I will take initiation from Gauranga Swami, I am the great person. Foolishness. This is foolishness. Murkhami. Nirbodhata. Gauranga Swami to dikha nahi gale tune. Virat bhakta hi jivo. For what reason you will take initiation? Why you will become Shishya? Only to learn the art. That art we can please him, please Krishna. Brajavadhu Vargena Japarpita. From where we learn this? We learn this from the themselves of Braja. Therefore Guru is Radha Priya Sakhi. Manifestation of Radha Priya Sakhi Gurudev. এই নিবেদনা ধরো সখীর অনুগত করো সেবা অধিকার দিয়ে করো বলে দাস. Every day we are singing this. Please accept my request. I can become follower of a Sakhi in Vrindavan. Then only I get the opportunity or get the right to serve Radha Krishna. It is the goal of our life. ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଟିକେ ସେଇ ରାଧା ପ୍ରିୟ ସଖୀଙ୍କର ଅନୁଗତ ହେବି, ମତେ ବ୍ରଜରେ ସେବାର ଅଧିକାର ମିଳିବ. Who said that they will not do? He said he went many places. Finally he said this is Gupta Vrindavan, hidden Vrindavan. And we are saying to me, where the devotees are having mood to serve Krishna for his pleasure. That place is Vrindavan. That place is Vrindavan. That place is Vrindavan. Day and night they are thinking how to give pleasure to Bhagavan Krishna. The best way, my nice way, I can serve him. A devotee cannot remain without Krishna. Krishna cannot remain without devotee. Some were present. The greatest worshipable one. If somebody is taking care of the greatest worshipable one, then he will be greatest worshipper. So therefore it is said, Braja Madhu Vargena Jakar. We should serve like Braja Madhu, themselves are brothers. There is no question of own sense gratification. They are Brajavasi. We must follow them. Sakhir Anugata Karo. Please, O Brunde, O Tulsi Maharani, please shower mercy on me so that I can submissively follow the Sakhis. You will just take initiation, it is enough. Oh, Brahman. What Brahman? This thread is not significant. Inside quality should be there. Brahmana will never think about his own sense gratification. Those who are thinking about their own sense gratification, they are not Brahmana. They are Kripana. They are the miserly person. And they will never be satisfied. Those who are going for their own sense gratification, they will never be satisfied. You give so much opulence to them, they will not be happy. But therefore it is said, these Brajalanas, Gopalanas, they were not running to Krishna to get something. Name, fame, prestige. You don't want women, you don't want money, but name, fame, prestige is there. Having desire to get something from Krishna, cannot do Krishna service. You cannot do Krishna service. You can do demigod worship, no problem. If you want to serve the Supreme Lord Krishna with the greatest worshipable one, be selfless. I don't need anything. I am happy if you are happy. We are accepting Guru. If someone has gone to a Sadguru, he doesn't need anything. If he'll go to Guru, we must forget our old need. That day we said, what Guru said, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, you come to me, I will give you everything. You just come to me. You surrender, I will give you everything. What do you need? My Gurudev completely surrendered to Srila Prabhupada Maharaj. He could build Bhubaneswar Krishna Balaram temple. He could build this temple. Money was not there, he was begging door to door. 2 rupees, 1 rupee, Diksha. That time he was collecting and making khichdi and offering to Gomita. But now Krishna Balaram Mandir, Vaikuntha Saman. Yesterday I went, I didn't see all the places. I have no patience, my body is not allowing, so I did not move around. Only I went to the place and came back, that's all. Now it became Vaikuntha. Where from money came? Because he was following submissively to his Guru, completely surrendered to Guru. I don't want to criticize anyone, but I am giving a fact. Prabhupada Maharaj, when he got that land, 1 acre of land in their Mayapur area, he called our Gurudev, Gaur Govind, we have gotten a piece of land in Bhubaneswar. You should go and develop that project. And that time, Gurudev was not alone. He was not having any authoritativeness. Am I right? Authority or authoritativeness? Because he was under Bhagavata Prabhu. Prabhupada decided to America. So all the party, Bhagavata and other, Bhagavata Prabhu and other with Gurudev, they came to Nayapalli, Bhubaneswar. That time it was jungle. They were staying in Dharmsala near Bindu Sarovar, old town, Lingaraj temple. From there, they are going for bus Sankirtan and sometime coming to that Nayapalli place, but Bhagavad Prabhu didn't want to do anything there. But my Gurudev said, this is Prabhupada's instruction, I must stay here. But Bhagavad Prabhu said, no, you cannot stay here. You are putting saffron, Bankosti. Alone you cannot stay here. Only a sannyasi can stay in any place. But brahmachari, vanaprastha, they cannot stay alone. Let us go back. I will speak to Prabhupada. He said to Prabhupada, Prabhupada, this is impossible to stay there. There is a jungle, what you can do? He was always saying to Prabhupada. Gurudev said in different way, Prabhupada, you sent me to stay there and develop that project, but Bhagavad Prabhu is not allowing me because I am not sannyasi. I will give you sannyas. Prabhupada said, what? You said I should develop that project in Odisha, Bhubaneswar, but you are not giving any Lakshmi. Prabhupada said, I gave you Krishna. But Lakshmi. Go. Gurudev came. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chittete Kariya Iko Arna Kariya Panas. Then Prabhupada said, you collect. I can get a percent, 50% or something, I will. But now, you see, in Krishna Bhagavan, there is so much Lakshmi. They are breaking and constructing, going on. But what happened to Bhagavad Prabhu? After Gurudev left the body, Bhagavad Prabhu got one dream that Prabhupada asked him to go and develop this Bhubaneswar. So immediately he came, but could not stay. The devotee, chalo. He left. Now he is sannyasi in Gaudiya Bhakti. Nana Maharaj, sannyas decided. But where some attack was there to our Gurudev, many devotees, disciples said, Gurudev, why not you come out from this ISKCON? They did not say anything. And finally he left his body remaining in ISKCON. They never left. International Puri Development Committee, Gurudev was the member. Puri development, Gurudev was doing Puri development. The land was occupied by Gundas. We went. We cleared everything. Gopalanda Prabhu is here. He has done so many things. He built one house there. One fuel, one house. But Gurudev said, many are there, they will take care. I have not completed it. Prabhupada's project, how can I take care of that? Unless one will follow the instruction of his Guru, how can he will please Krishna? Always he will listen what Guru said. How can he go? Andaman, Nicobar, Bombay, so many places. How one can go? Why one is not listening what Guru said? When Guru said that time, the air was blocked. We have accepted Guru, but Guru's words not entering into the ears. Finished. We have not become disciple. We want to become Guru. We have not yet become disciple, Baba. But we want to become Guru. Many days back, to become Guru. Our Swambhu Maharaj. He wanted to become sannyasi. His sannyas proposal was on the floor. He already started putting like sannyas dress without kacha. Here Puyo Mott is there. The Puyo Mott devotees, they were going in Apasampradaya line. The Saranagati and ourselves we discussed with Maharaj, Sripad Maharaj, Bhaktisar Thakur Maharaj. We wanted to bring them to ISKCON. Because our Gurudev was going to that Puyo. Many times he spoke Bhagavad Gita class, he has given there. So, we tried to bring them to ISKCON. Yajna, initiation ceremony, at the same time they are a duty installation, Vanavihari installation. I saw Swambhu Maharaj is there, Alta, Pachanai. That proposal was not that time approved, but he was putting dress like that. And after Yajna, after everything finished, he is approaching Sripad Maharaj. Maharaj, can you come to our house? Please come to our home. Please, very near. Please. You are going to become sannyasi. You gave up your house a long time before. You are putting saffron, even sannyas dress, and you want that Maharaj should come to his house, my house. My family members are waiting for you, Maharaj. Sannyasi. Maharaj is very humble. Okay, we will go. Swambhu will go to your house. Then I said, you wanted me to come. I said, no, I will not come. Because I am having bad eyes, bad intelligence. Then I will see something, I will speak to others. More problem will come. I did not go there. After taking sannyas, he was giving class. What he was saying? Sukadeva Goswami was not having guru. So therefore, when Sukadeva Goswami will speak, the place where he will sit, when he will go out, somebody will purify thy cow dung. Because he was not having guru. I don't know where it is. I don't know Bhagavata or where, I don't know. But every time he was emphasizing on guru. One must become guru. One must accept disciple. Then I understood. Now he became sannyasi. He said, if I will not become sannyasi, I will go to Gaudiya Math and I will become sannyasi. So Sripad Maharaj somehow spoke in DVC and he got sannyas. Then he wanted to become guru. He wanted to become guru. Every time when he was speaking, what is the need of guru? How to one become shishya? All these things. But after some time, he was trying Hey Maya, why you are disturbing me? Sleeping here, number 3. You are sleeping number 3. Vasudeva Prabhu was sleeping with him to take care of him. Why I became sannyasi? Why I became sannyasi? Lamenting because he became sannyasi. He wanted to become guru. He should not develop desire to become guru. One should not develop desire to become guru. Rather, one should develop desire to become a true Shishya. How can I become a true disciple of my Guru? If we can become a nice disciple, so Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, having so many disciples, so one of his disciples said, Guru Maharaj, you are having so many disciples. What Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur said, I have never made any disciple. Those who are thinking that I am Guru, they are disciple. Actually, they are my Guru. Very deep purpose. Let me remain always disciple. My Gurudev will say, let me remain always disciple, not Guru. When Gurudev comes back from preaching tour, he gives lecture. But before that, I give little bit introductory speech. Gurudev came back from Bali, so much having pain in the heart. With much pain, he came back from Bali. Why that pain was? Because some complaint came to Gurudev that your disciples are distributing books. They are creating problem by distributing books. Gurudev said, Acha, they are distributing Prabhupada's books and they are creating problem that to my disciples. Your disciples are distributing books, and that night Gurudev could not take prasadam. Whole night he was saying, Haribol, Haribol, Haribol. Next day, Jai Radha Madhava Kirtan Bhagavatam, he could not sing nicely. His throat was choking. It was difficult for him to chant Jai Radha Madhava. Somehow he gave class. After class, when prasadam time, Gurudev said, I will not take prasadam. He said, how it will be possible? You will not take prasadam. Chaitanya Chandra, that prasad will not go here, my throat. My throat is choked already. You cannot understand my pain. My Gurudev's books cannot be distributed. How can I take prasad? Then I said, Gurudev, one thing, I can understand your pain. But this devotee is innocent. If he will not take prasad, they will not take prasad also. Please take something. Then Gurudev came to take prasad. All the way coming back time, he was only thinking about that. My Gurudev's books cannot be distributed. To fulfill the desire of Guru is the only duty of Shishya. Therefore he is saying, I am not Guru. Those who are saying I am Guru, they are my Guru. We will associate with others. With whom we will associate, we will get something from him. I don't want to associate with anyone. I don't want to get anything from anyone. Because what I have received from my Guru, I don't want to lose it. More Gurudev Mate Sabukichi. My Gurudev has given everything to me. I don't need from anyone anything. So why will go? Bell. Oh, ice cream. Let us go. Nowadays different. Bali different. Some music will come. They want something, they will push them, music will come. Oh, ice cream can. We are running for that. But Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur saying, my Gurudev, what he has given me, I don't need anything from anyone. If anyone will become Guru, he can give everything so that he can become Guru. So, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur कहले, मोर गुरु को निर्देश व्यतीत मु आउ कहारी कथा सुनी बिना. I'll never listen to anyone. Whatever my Gurudev has given instruction, I'll do it. My Gurudev said, everything is the enjoyable object of the Supreme Lord Krishna. I must not have greedy vision towards that, whatever it may be. Everything belongs to Krishna, nothing belongs to me. I don't have any needs. All the needs are being fulfilled by him. Guru Krishna is fulfilling. I have no need. We have become all bhakta, all shishya. So where from our own desire came? If we have some other desire than Krishna's happiness, then that is called Joshit. Joshit will give happiness. So it is said, Josoti Mohoiti iti Josa, Josoiti Mohoiti iti Josa, which is attracting our mind, bringing illusion for us. That is Josa. And that person will go for other seva. He is the Lord of everything, everyone. He is friend of everyone. He is the son of every father, mother. He is the beloved of every woman, young woman. So how we can go for others? If Krishna is there, where will go and do a seva? Sarva karanam karanam. Oh, we'll go to Brahma. He is the cause of Brahma. Oh, we will meditate on Paramatma. Paramatma is the partial manifestation of God. Where will go? What we need? He is everything. Whatever Vishnu Tattvas are there, Krishna is the cause, source of all Vishnu Tattvas. Rama, Nrsimha, Vamana, Parshurama, whatever incarnation, Krishna is the cause. Kesava Dhuta, Rama Sarira, Kesava Dhuta, Vamana. We are singing this song, Jaya Goswami. This human life is very, very rarely achieved life. We will not allow it to go astray. So how the human life will be failure one? When the human life will become failure one? When we will be engaged in nonsense activities. When we will be engaged in offensive activities, sinful activities, then our human life will become failure life. The human life will become failure only due to our negligence. By our negligence, we lost this. Krishna saying, we are the eternal part and parcel of Krishna. But we want our own enjoyment by negligence. We lost the very valuable human life due to our foolishness and negligence. We lost the rarely achieved path, human path. Do you think that you will become again a human being? Some are saying, oh, maybe next life I will go for Krishna Seva. Will you get again human life? Is there any guarantee? You have taken the bath to render devotional services unto the lotus feet of Krishna. Without Krishna Bhakti, without devotion, the life is only truth is Krishna. Only truth is Krishna Bhakti. Only truth is Krishna Bhakta. Our soul, Nitya Maya, untruth, illusion. This human birth is temporary. It's not eternal. But very, very beneficial. In this lifetime only, we will get spiritual realization. Those who are intelligent person, they will know. Until my breathing is going on, I must not waste my time. I will be engaged in Krishna Seva. I will not waste my time. Time is passing like anything. When you first came to Vadagiri Gopinath, when you took initiation, 2015. Now, 7 years after, or 8 years, time is passing. My friend's father was teacher. We were a little bit naughty, both. That association made me really bad one, a bad association. But his father is a very nice teacher. He observed that we are going wrong direction. He called me. He did not tell his own son. He said to me, Chinmay, what is day today? It's a Friday. Okay. What the date is? I said something. What month? This month. What year? This year. That is 1963. He asked me this. What is time now? This is 1 o'clock now. Will you find the same time, same day, same date, same month, same year? Just tomorrow or after some time? I said, no. Then why you are wasting your time? The time will not come back. So why you are wasting your time? He gave nice teaching to me. I a little bit changed what his son did not change. So similarly, those who are intelligent person, they will never waste their time. The moment they came to know our dharma is to serve Krishna, since that moment they should start serving Krishna. He will never neglect. He will give up everything. He came to know the goal of life is to go to the lotus feet of Krishna. He will give up everything. Parikshit Maharaj gave up everything and sat down to listen what Sukadeva Goswami said. The ultimate goal of life is to get the shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. For that, we need to take shelter of a true Guru. So what Guru does? If we will go and take shelter at the lotus feet of Guru, what Guru does? He will never say anything other than Krishna. I am having taste to listen to Shakespeare. drama. Will Guru says, it's pure drama. You may like, may not like. He will speak Krishna Katha. He knows that we have turned our face from Krishna already. Again he will speak something so that we will go far from Krishna. He will never do like that. I have taste for sweet. Guru will never give sweet. He will give bitter. You may like, may not like, but take bitter. You may like, may not like, read Bhagavad Gita. When Gurudev will speak, he will speak about Krishna bhajan, nothing else. You may like, may not like. You may like, may not like, he will speak about Krishna bhajan. You may think, oh, it is all bitter. All bitter. Listening this Krishna Katha, our ears are tired. Cannot listen anymore. Oh, nice! Hey, Gurudev is speaking about that woman, nice woman is there. In India, where the beautiful women are there, you know. If I will tell you not to that place. The Bangalore is considered to be, we have one saying in Odia, Ganganari Anga Padishka. So you have to listen about more that. Speak, more. But it is Krishna Katha. After some time, run away, cannot sit. Even sitting, every day listening Krishna Katha. This is the duty of human being to listen Krishna Katha and serve Krishna. Nothing else. But the reason one is not speaking Krishna Katha, speaking other Katha, what is the reason? He wants to become very dear to the listener. Very dear to the listener. One Gaudiya sannyasi, he becomes sannyasi very soon. Self-styled sannyasi. So Maharaj, he is giving pravachan in TV. Regularly I was listening. I am waiting what he is speaking Tattva. Less. More gan, song, singing, and all the orchestra is there. Violin, tabla, all are there. That has become a style. Our ISKCON also they are doing. In our ISKCON they are doing this. For what? Manoranjan. That means they are attracting the listeners towards him, not for Krishna. If one will not be attracted towards Krishna, he will be attracted towards Maya. Can we become Guru? We will attract the people towards Maya. Who is speaking this type of Katha in the name of Krishna Katha? He is bringing violence towards the listener. ये हिंसा करा जीवा कथा की श्रोता प्रति हिंसा करा जीवो क्या गोपी मोहन जी? My Gurudev is having so much grief in his heart, pain in his heart, because I am suffering. No one is suffering due to any other suffering. Arjun is suffering. Why Mohan Rupa will suffer? Let him suffer. Okay, I will call for a doctor. Or I will bring some medicine for him, that's all. But Guru is suffering. When Guru is seeing that the Shishyas, followers, they are suffering, Guru is suffering. Guru is thinking very deeply, hey, my disciple is going the wrong direction. He is suffering now, and in future he will suffer more. Guru is suffering. Any disciple will leave the lotus feet of Krishna. Guru cannot sleep nicely. So, therefore, he is our real well-wisher. He is the well-wishing friend. We will develop our loving relationship with Krishna. That is the desire of Gurudev. Therefore, Srimad Bhagavatam is giving us instruction, advice that we should take shelter at the lotus feet of that type of Guru who is free from all this Maya. Give up everything, take shelter at the lotus feet of Gurudev. You will never suffer. There will be no suffering. But is it easy to give up everything and take shelter at the lotus feet of Gurudev? It's not so easy. Not so easy. When it will be easy? Wonderful. If we are listening regularly, if we are regularly listening, then we will be able to give up everything. It's not so easy to give up everything. So Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj said to Bhakti-Jan Saraswati. He said to Bhakti-Jan Saraswati, give up everything, come to me, I will give you everything. What is everything? Krishna. I will give you Krishna so that everything will be with you. Why? Why you will toil so hard? Like a donkey, like an ass, and you are not getting pleasure. You are serving from morning to evening, but no pleasure. Come to me. I will engage you in Krishna Seva. You will get enough pleasure, enough bliss. The children cannot remember their father's name because father going morning, coming night. Morning time the child has not got up from the bed, father left. Again father will come night 10 o'clock, the child is sleeping. Then after some time the child will ask, where is my father? I have never seen him. But just opposite. We can do so much seva there, service, Maya seva, but here Krishna seva, not more than 50 minutes, not more than half an hour, not more than 1 hour. Oh, Mahaprabhu will do this seva today, this people will do this seva. Next day again chant this story. I am totally tired of this type of arrangement. What he can do? Devotee they don't want. I cannot do. I can do this much only. Finish. But he can do more there. Outside. Ede bhajan honna nazar bhakti gaam. Bhajan.
Bhajore mana Srinandanandana Abhaya Charana Nindare. Bhajore mana Srinandanandana Abhaya Charana
Sham, sang by Govindas Kaviraj. Bhaja Hore Mana Sinanda Nandana Abhaya Charanara Vindare Durlabha Manava Janama Satsange Paraye Bhava Sri. O mind, receive the lotus feet of Sri Nandanandana, which bring fearlessness. This human birth is very rare. So, take the association of saintly persons and cross over this ocean of material existence. Suffering the pains of the cold, heat, wind and rain. I remain sleepless day and night. I have uselessly served miserly and wicked men for a fraction of momentary happiness. Wealth, youth, sons and relatives, what assurance do they hold? This life is tottering like a drop of water on a lotus petal. So always serve and worship the feet of Sri Hari. Hearing, chanting, remembering, offering prayers, serving his lotus feet, engaging as a servant, worshipping, serving him as a friend, and completely offering him one's very self. These 9 limbs of bhakti are Govinda Das's cherished aspiration. Very little happiness, or very little happiness, we are serving the miserly wicked persons. They have no connection with Krishna, but we are serving. Those who are having connection with Krishna, we don't want to serve. We are serving to the miserly person, but we are not serving Krishna. Devaki Nandan Das is saying this. Why? Why we are not serving Krishna? Or we don't want to serve Krishna? Swadhibhata. Independence. Therefore we are not able to serve Krishna. We have independence. I love to see TV. I love to go for computer. I cannot do so. After finishing, I will try. Why? Cannot ask why. You cannot question. I am having my independence. I am independent one. You cannot question. How president can come 7? Can a president will engage him? Manager will engage him in seva? If you say like that, we will have to go for holiday. 7 days off. Holiday. What holiday? What you do in holiday? What exactly they do in holiday in Switzerland, Baba? Can you tell me, Mohammed? You have so much experience. Swiss. Now you are Swiss one, represented the Switzerland. Tell us. What is the holiday? What is the relaxation? Okay. You speak elaborately, little detail. I don't know anything.
They go for walking, wandering, go in the forest, breathing nice air, taking bath in
Stream.
lake, in stream, looking flowers, nice landscape, enjoy the nature.
Then after 7 days,
7 days, go back to work.
very, very painful. After holiday work means very painful. I was spending time with my wife and my children so nicely 7 days. Now again I have to go back to my work. Oh, I will commit suicide. Australia, they say, one day suicide case is more. statistic. Because Saturday, Sunday, they may night delight, and Monday again you have to go work in morning. Sunday, so much dance in the club, bar. Next day morning, quickly getting up, again go better. So this independence is a real problem. Nobody can interfere in my independence. I am independent one. Bhava. You are not independent one. Because you have taken shelter of a guru. How can you say I am independent one? I merged my desire with Guru's desire. The next day left for Pune without informing anyone. In writing, no independence. I have no independence. I merge my desire with Guru's desire. But factually, I am independent. Whatever I like, I say. Development in bhakti. Degrading from bhakti also. The independent is the factor. Those who have understood what is the real independence is, they have become nice one. What type of independence we need, what type of independence you don't need. More people can say, right, you have discussed. One, independence to serve. Then,
Independence for sense enjoyment we don't need.
yes. Two types of independence. One is bringing us to the lotus feet of Krishna and engaging us in seva. Another independence is taking us away from Krishna to do Maya seva. So when one gets that independence to serve Bhagavan Krishna, when? At the time of initiation. At the time of initiation, he will give all his independence to Gurudev. Then Gurudev will make him qualified to serve Krishna. He can surrender to Krishna. He has already surrendered to Guru. And now he is ready to surrender to Krishna by Guru. So all his independence he will use to serve the Supreme Lord Krishna. Without independence we cannot serve Krishna. When we gave our independence at the lotus feet of Krishna, Gurudev made us independent. Now we are independent as serve Krishna. Oh, Krishna will have his crown with flower. Very nice, Krishna will look very nice. That time I am using my independence to see that Krishna should do. Now we have given independence. You do go. Yaar go independence, I do what you like. Okay, Chaitanya Chandra, you can handle lakhs rupees, no problem. Now, take my key. Gurudev gave me to. Gurudev gave, therefore he said, I gave you everything and you are saying you have no access to me. And he got everything. Chaitanya Chandra is just counting the currency and using for Krishna. You cannot take one bundle with you. What will you do? What will you do with that? He has already given up his independence. What will you do with this money? It's not my money. Krishna's money. I will use for Krishna. If Chaitanya Chandra wants something, will not Guru and Krishna supply? Guru and Krishna will supply. What is it? Oh Prabhu, nothing belongs to me. I gave you everything. Now it is up to you. The responsibility of Guru Krishna is now increased. Hey, Mahaprabhu completely, he dedicated completely. So we have to see whatever he did. The two words. One is called Adhinata. Another one is called Swadhinata. The Bhakta who has accepted the control of Guru and Krishna on him, he has become independent. When one comes under the control of Guru and Krishna, he will be able to understand my only duty is to serve and please. See, the themselves of Prajavalana, Gopavalana, they were serving Krishna with full independence. With full independence they were serving. Hey, you want to take your cloth, come out from the water. Naked, cannot come out. Otherwise you will not get cloth. Yes. Hey, why you are closing your chest by your hand? Just raise your hand up or put on your hand. Yes, they will be completely under Krishna. They were completely under Krishna. But they were having independence, otherwise all they would go. Then Abhimattare, he is one. Therefore he said, Abhimattara. So Abhimattara is within this Abhimattara. Those who have gotten this type of independence, they know their only duty is to serve. Jai Shri Gurudev Ki, Jai Shri Prabhupada Ji Maharaj Ki, Jai Shri Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada Ki, Ananta Koti Vaishnava Ki, Shri Radha Gopal Ji Ki, Shri Jagannath Bhakti Sivanda Devi Ki, Shri Shri Gaunikaya Ki, Samaveta Gaura Bhakta Ki, Nitai Gaunikaya.
जय श्री श्रीमद चैतन्य चंदास गुरु महाराज की.
What was the independence displayed by the gopis in the Vastra? In Vastraharana Lila, what is Tattva behind it? The Tattva is the gopis were bhakta. Krishna was bhakta. So Krishna wanted to see the full beauty of their body as bhakta. They just exhibited their body to Krishna. This is the real independence. By the real independence, one can please Krishna. One can fulfill the desires of his real independence. If you will not be given this independence, we cannot please Krishna. We cannot serve him. Any question here? By giving up our own independence, if we depend on Guru, then Guru will give independence to us by which we can serve Krishna. We mentioned that serving Krishna for his pleasure is our duty. But you do not understand how the intention to do so can be completely selfless. When we are looking for the pleasure of Krishna, if we will just look for our own pleasure, then by that seva, Krishna will not be happy. But the difficulty to understand. Gopis, they were serving Krishna. What self-interest they were having. Their only desire was how Krishna will become happy. That was only their desire. So this is called selfless seva. They were not thinking about their own pleasure when they were serving Krishna. Similarly, when one will serve Krishna, he should not think about his own pleasure.